Yeah, good evening, guys. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Previously, we have discussed about software testing methods and levels. Okay. How many methods is available? We are having two types. One is static testing, and second one is the dynamic testing. What is meant by static testing? It is a process of verifying developing the project is right or not. That is called as static testing. What is another name for static testing? Verification. Okay. Dynamic testing is also called as validation. Okay. Static testing is divided into two types. What are those? Reviews and walkthroughs. How many types of reviews are available? Five types. Okay. What are those?
Management,
Management
technical,
review, technical,
Code,
code,
formal and informal.
formal, and informal. Coming to dynamic testing, here it is divided into three types. What are those? White box testing, black box testing, and gray box
gray
testing.
box testing,
Coming to white box testing, it is divided into two types. One is unit level testing, and second one is the integration level testing. Coming to black box testing, it is divided into two types. One is system level testing, and second one is the user
UAT.
acceptance testing. Okay. What is the gray box testing? It is a combination of white box and black box
black box testing,
as gray box. Okay. Up to where we have discussed? We have discussed up to system level testing. Under system level testings, we have to perform different types of testings. What is meant by system level testing? It is to validate both functional and non-functional. Here, what is meant by functional? Here, what is meant by functional testing? You are a functional tester or a non-functional tester?
Functional testing.
You are a functional testers. We are a functional testers. What is meant by functional testing? Verify the functionality. Verify the functionality of an application. Verify the functionality of an application and checks the application works as per customer needs. Yes or no? It have to work as per customer needs. Application will work as my needs means that is not useful, right? It have to work as customer needs. నా యూస్ కోసం వర్క్ అయితే యూజ్లెస్ కదా. ఎవరి కోసం వర్క్ చేయాలి? కస్టమర్ నీడ్స్ కోసం వర్క్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as functional testing. Okay, what are the different types of functional testings were available? What types of testings we have to do? Smoke testing. Another name for smoke testing is called as build verification testing. What is the another name? Build verification testing. Second one is positive testing. Third one is negative testing. Fourth one is retesting. Fifth one is regression testing. Sixth one is database testing. Who will test database? Who will test database? Database testers will test. Okay, they will be the separate team. What are the different types of testings we are going to perform, guys? Smoke testing, positive testing, negative testing, retesting, regression testing, end-to-end testing, and ad hoc testing. This all comes under which one? Functional testing. Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll see one by one. What is smoke testing? Smoke testing is also called as smoke testing is also called as which one? Build verification testing. Here, what is the use of smoke testing? We have to check the basic functionality. Okay, in this smoke testing, we have to check the basic functionality. how to check the basic functionality. We are not going to test the application flow. We are just going to check the basic functionality. If I give valid username and valid password, it have to sign it. Yes or no? If I click on expenses, it have to open something. Yes or no? If I click on my receipts, it have to open some page. If I go to my transactions, it have to open some page. If it is not opening means, then that is an issue. Clear? Basic functionality. Guys, understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you have to click and drop. Okay, just basic functionality. Just click and close. Okay, yes or no? Without this basic functionality, we cannot test, right? Further.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is called as smoke testing. What is smoke testing?
Yes.
In this type of testing, we need to check basic functionality. Okay, basic functionality is not working means if you perform each and everything, then no use, right? Suppose you are going to transfer some money from PhonePe. If PhonePe is not working means no use, right? Testing each and everything is no use, right? Yes or no? Guys, I am clear.
Yes, sir.
It's called as smoke testing. Okay, what is next testing? Positive testing. Or what is next one? Positive testing. Here, what is meant by positive testing? We have to test only positive scenarios. See, here, what are the positive scenarios? Can anyone? Suppose if I am giving only valid username and valid password. This is positive or negative scenario?
Positive.
Both are valid. Okay. If I give both are invalid, then it should not log in. These are the negative scenarios. Yes or no? What are the positive scenarios? We have to give the someone is speaking.
No, sir, just saying that we have to give correct things and the.
Yes. Okay. We have to give both valid inputs. Suppose one here you email ID means you have given correct email ID. Suppose you have given suppose you are working on a banking domain. Okay, how you are going to check the bank account? Suppose bank account number means it have to accept only numerics. It should not accept any alphabets, those kind of things. Yes or no? Account number means how much? It have to be only digits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Some bank account number means it have to be only numerics. It should not be alphabets, alphanumerics, or special characters. It should not accept anything. What is the positive there? Only it
All
should
the physics.
accept only numbers. It should not accept any numerics. It should not accept any alphanumerics, alphabets, and special characters. What it have to accept? Only numerics only it have to accept. For banking. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Those are the positive scenarios. Negative scenarios means we have to check with special characters. We have to check with alphabets and alphanumerics also. We have to check. What are the alphanumerics?
Alphabets and along with numbers.
Alphabets and with numerics. Those
Numbers.
are called as alphanumerics. Okay, clear. Now, what is the positive testing and what is the negative testing? We have to check both positive scenarios and we have to check negative scenarios as well. Clear?
Yes, sir.
As a test engineer, we have to check both positive and negative scenarios. In this type of testing, check with valid inputs. Here, what inputs we are going to check? Valid inputs only to confirm the customer requirements. Requirements is called as what testing?
Positive test.
Testing. Guys, try to speak out all the people. Okay. Why? Because you have to attend everyday calls. Okay. What is negative testing, guys?
Checking with invalid inputs.
Okay. You have to check with invalid.
Invalid inputs.
In this type of testing, we have to check with invalid inputs. Just I am copying and pasting instead of valid. I'm giving valid input. Here we have to check with invalid scenario.
Valid.
What are the invalid scenarios for bank account?
Other than
The
numbers,
alpha-
any
Alphanumerics or alphabets.
Yeah, those things, special characters, those all things comes under.
Invalid
Like-
inputs.
Okay. Coming to fourth one. What is retesting? Here only, under that word only, testing.
Bugs comes means you have to retest.
Okay. Again and again, we have to conduct testing on modified test, on modified functionality. When we will do modified functionality, once defect is fixed, then we have to check multiple times. Yes or no? Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose you have posted one issue to the development team. The developer has been fixed the issue. You have to retest it, right? Whether it is fixed or not. Without retesting, you can pass the application to the production server. No, right? We have to retest and we have to check whether it is bug is fixed or not. That is called as again and again conducting testing. Again and again conducting testing on which functionality? The developer will modify the functionality. Unmodified functionality is called as which testing?
Retest.
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 Okay, these are the interview questions, guys, you are going to face. Okay, please prepare. And one more testing is regression testing. What is regression testing? Can anyone? Regression. Regression is nothing but to check the side effects. Suppose, see, you have posted on my receipts. Okay, మీకు ఏమైనా ఇష్యూస్ మై రిసిప్ట్స్ లో వచ్చాయి, కానీ మై ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ లో ఇంపాక్ట్ పడే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సపోజ్ దేర్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇష్యూస్ ఇన్ మై రిసిప్ట్స్, దే మే బి ఛాన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపాక్ట్స్ ఆన్ విచ్ మాడ్యూల్?
My
My
trans.
transition.
On my transactions module. Okay, to check the side effect. Yes or no? Suppose you have got a fever. Under fever, you can get headache, those all things. On which, what is the main symptom? Fever is the main symptom. What are the different symptoms you have caused?
Headache.
Headache, those kind of things. Those are the side effects. Just example, guys. Don't mind. Okay, all are good. Okay. Regression for understanding purpose, I told to check the side effects of the functionality. To check the side effects of the functionality. To check the side effects of the functionality along with modified functionality. Yes or no? If developer has been modified means we have to check other side effects also, whether it is working properly or not. Is called as which testing? Regression.
Regression testing.
Okay. What is the another one?
Database.
Database.
Who will conduct the database testing?
Uh,
Who will conduct? As a
Database tester.
database testers will conduct this testing. Database is nothing but collection of data. Database is nothing but collection of data. Okay. This data will be stored in which format? In a tabular format they are going to store. Okay, who will store this all things? Every data will be stored in database as a which format?
Table.
Table format. Who will create this all things? Database testers.
Yes,
They
sir.
will be the separate team. Okay. Performance also, they will be the separate team. Okay. As a performance testers. Okay. Those persons called as performance testers. What is the another testing?
End-to-end.
End-to-end testing. Here, what is meant by end-to-end testing? Here, we have to test each and every requirement. Each and every requirement we have to test end-to-end of the application. Each and every requirement testing is called as end-to-end testing. Yes or no? Guys, understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Who is responsible for end-to-end testing?
Tester.
Yes, as a our job. Okay, this is our job. We have to test each and everything. Okay, who is responsible end-to-end testers? As a test
Test
engineer,
engineer.
we are responsible. Okay, end-to-end testing nothing but in this type of testing, we need to test each and everything. In this type of testing, we need to verify what you are going to verify. End-to-end all requirements. End-to-end all requirements. We have to test end-to-end all requirements of the application is called as which testing?
End-to-end testing.
End-to-end testing. Understanding, right? If you are not understanding, please let me know. I will give another few examples. Okay? మీకు అర్థం కాకుండా ఉంటే అడగండి, నేను వేరే ఫార్మాట్ లో చెప్తాను. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to ad hoc testing. What is the one? Another one? Ad hoc testing. Coming to ad hoc testing, we have different types of testings. What are the different types of testings? One is UD testing. Second one is pair testing. Third one is gorilla testing, or another name is monkey testing. What is the another name for monkey testing?
Gorilla.
What is the another name for
Gorilla
monkey
test.
testing?
Gorilla test.
Another name is
Chimpanzee.
yes. Okay, we'll see one by one. What is booty testing, guys? Booty testing means who have to test. As a test engineer, we have to test. Coming to pair testing means who have to test. Pair is nothing but two persons. Yes or no? Two test engineers have to work on same module. Yes or no? Pair is nothing but two. Clear? Here booty testing is nothing but we have to join with development person. That is called as booty testing. Coming to monkey testing means without following any documentation, conducting testing is called as monkey testing. Clear? We'll see the definition so that you will understand. What is booty testing, guys? Due to lack of time in this testing, with whom you have to join?
Develop.
Test engineer will join with developer. Okay, test engineer will join with developer, and conducting testing is called as
Booty testing.
testing is called as It's called as booty testing. Clear? What is booty testing? We have to join with development person, and conducting testing is called as booty
Booty
testing.
testing.
Okay. Coming to what is the next one?
Pair
Pair
testing.
Pair
testing.
testing.
What is meant by pair testing?
Connecting with two people.
Okay. Why you are going to connect with two people? Suppose there is a 10 test engineers is there. Okay. Same person is working on one module. Why another person is required here? Can anyone? Can anyone, guys?
Because the application is more formats everything.
No. See,
So
your
to
way of
quality.
thinking, your way of mind is different. Another way of mind is different. Yes or no? Maybe a chances you may think that is not an issue. For another person, that may think that is an issue, right? Me way
Yes,
of
sir.
Yes, sir.
mind lo issue కాకపోవచ్చు. Another person way of mind లో issue అయ్యుండొచ్చు కదా. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, yes or no? Understanding?
sir.
Yes, sir.
To conduct those kind of testings is called as pair testing. Okay. So that's the
Sir,
reason.
అది ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది లైక్ అంటే ఇది ఇష్యూ ఉండొచ్చు ఉండకపోవచ్చు.
Sorry.
ఇప్పుడు పేర్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ఇష్యూ ఉంటాయి. సో లైక్ అంటే వే ఆఫ్ మెంటాలిటీస్ బట్టి 2 మెంబర్స్ ని వర్క్ చేయమని చెప్పారు అన్నారు కదా.
కాదండి, అంటే 2 నెంబర్స్ మీ ఇద్దరు షేర్ చేసుకుంటారు ఐడియాస్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మీరు షేర్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఐడియాస్ ఏమవుతాయి? మీ వే ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది, నా వే ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇప్పుడు
Yes, sir.
సపోజ్ మీ వే ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ చెప్పేస్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ టెస్టింగ్, నెగటివ్ సినారియోస్. కెన్ ఎనీవన్ సే? ఐ
Yes,
థింక్
sir.
Positive means two have to give same valid things.
Valid input and
Negative
valid
testing.
password.
that
Negative
is
testing.
positive. Okay, come to negative testing. Can anyone?
Invalid input.
Invalid input.
Only that thing.
యూజర్ నేమ్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఇచ్చి పాస్వర్డ్ రాంగ్ ఇవ్వడం, పాస్వర్డ్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఇచ్చి యూజర్ నేమ్ రాంగ్ ఇవ్వడం, రెండు
Second.
యూజర్ నేమ్ అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ రెండు రాంగ్ ఇవ్వడం.
థర్డ్ వన్. ఓకే. ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల.
ఏందండి?
ఆల్ఫా
ఆ,
ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అండ్
ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్.
కొన్ని
అదే కదా,
mistakes-
ఇన్వాలిడ్
mis-
యూజర్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్. అంతేనా సినారియోస్? ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
we can miss some letters.
ఓకే. We can miss some letters. That is also invalid only.
We can add some more.
That is comes under one only, right? అంతేనా అండి? One more scenario is there. Can anyone see? Here I am keeping both fields as empty and clicking on sign in. It have to log in or should not log in?
Should not
Not
log in.
login.
That is also one more scenario, right?
Yes, sir.
See, use some people is there. Okay, my way of thinking is different, your way of thinking is different. Yes or no? Maybe our time lo gurtu rakovachu. Yes or no? So that's
Yes,
the
sir.
reason we have to share the ideas and we have to test an application with two different people. That is called as pair testing. Clear?
Only 2 people will be there, sir. More than 2 people.
That is depends upon the scenario. Okay, maximum it will be 2 only. Okay, they won't give more than 2. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Maximum 2. Okay, some largest applications means we can perform 3. Why here I am mentioning 2 means, if I duplicate the bugs means, suppose you have identified the same bug. Okay, suppose another team person is also identified the same bug. Both have posted the bugs to the developer. Then the bug comes to which one? Valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Valid only, but they will keep it as duplicate. Sir, అంతే ఉంటుంది మాకేంటి. అంత 20 నిమిషాలు అయిపోయింది. గైస్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్?
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
మీరు బగ్స్ అనేది పోస్ట్ చేస్తారు, ఇద్దరు పోస్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఎవరు? మీరు, మీ టీమ్ మేట్స్.
Yes, sir.
గైస్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్?
Yes.
ఏమవుతాయండి, డెవలప్మెంట్ టీం వాళ్ళకి బగ్స్ పెడతారు. ఆ బగ్ ఏమవుద్ది? ఏమవుద్దండి? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను ఒక వర్డ్,
Valid.
వ్యాలిడ్.
Double.
బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బి డూప్లికేట్. అది
Duplicate.
డూప్లికేట్ అవ్వద్దు. ఓకే. డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ టెస్ట్, 2 టెస్ట్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉదయ్ చిన్నగా చెప్తున్నా, మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. 2 టెస్ట్ ఇంజనీర్స్ will join and working on same module. ఏ మాడ్యూల్ మీద వర్క్ చేస్తారండి? సేమ్ మాడ్యూల్ మీద వర్క్ చేస్తారు. వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ సేమ్ మాడ్యూల్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ది defects or
Bugs.
issues or bugs. Any word is correct one. Okay, we have a different types of words. Clear? Coming to another one. What is monkey testing?
Without following any documentation.
Monkey ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుందండి? ఎలా పడితే అలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుంది. Without following any
Any
rules.
doc.
Okay, without following any rules and any documentation, conducting testing is called as monkey testing. అవునా కదండి? మంకీ ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుందో మనం చెప్పినట్టు అంటదా?
No.
సీరియస్ గా అండి, అది ఉంది టెస్టింగ్. ఓకే. డ్యూ టు ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ టైం, వితౌట్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎనీ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఆర్ ఎనీ స్టాండర్డ్స్. ఓకే, ఏం స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఏం ఫాలో అవ్వకుండా టెస్ట్ చేసేదాన్ని ఏం టెస్టింగ్ అంటారు?
Monkey test.
Monkey test.
It's called as monkey testing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
These are the testings. Sorry, someone is speaking.
సార్ నాకు ఒక డౌట్ సార్. లైక్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఏది టెస్ట్ చేసినా మనకి హెడ్ అనేవారు ఒకరు ఉంటారు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఆర్ మనకి టీమ్ హెడ్ సంథింగ్ ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు, దాని ప్రకారంగా మనం ఫాలో అవ్వాలి అని చెప్పారు కదా
అవును.
రూల్స్ అన్ని. అంటే లైక్ ఇది ఇలా చేయాలి ఇవన్నీ చెప్పారు కదా. మరి ఇప్పుడు పేర్ టెస్టింగ్ కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు 2 persons కి ఇస్తారు అని చెప్పారు కదా. అంటే వాళ్ళు రూల్స్ అవి చెప్పరా ఇలా చేయాలి అని, మన ఓన్ గా చేయమని చెప్తారా?
ఏంటండి?
ఇప్పుడు
ఓన్ గా
పేర్
ఎందుకు
టెస్ట్
చేశారు? ఓన్ గా
అంటే ఇక్కడ
చేయరండి. ఫస్ట్ ఒక నిమిషం. ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అన్నది కేటీ ఇస్తారు. ఎవరు ఇస్తారు కేటీ? యాజ్ ఏ బిజినెస్ అనలిస్ట్ కానీ డెవలపర్ కానీ కేటీ ఇస్తారు. అవునా? సపోజ్ చిన్న మాడ్యూల్ అనుకోండి. సపోజ్ ఇది చిన్న మాడ్యూల్ అనుకోండి, ఇది పెద్ద మాడ్యూల్. మై ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ అనేది చిన్న మాడ్యూల్ అనుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మై రిసిప్ట్స్ లో కొంచెం పెద్ద మాడ్యూల్. ఓకే, సార్ ఇక్కడ చాలా ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. క్లియర్? ఇది ఒకరు టెస్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుద్ది, కొన్ని సినారియోస్ అన్నది మిస్ అవుతాయి. ఐ థింక్ సమ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, ఫ్యూ ఇక్కడ few scenarios will miss. Yes or no? If one person is working on this my receipts, some scenarios will miss. Yes or no? We can test. Okay, we can test, but some scenarios will miss and we won't get some ideas. Yes or no? We will test what? Only positive scenarios will test. Some negative scenarios we will test tomorrow, like that of things we will discuss. If 2 persons is there, means you will work on one round of testing. Another person also will work on same round. Okay, if you found some issues, he can identify and he can post. Clear? You both can discuss and you can post. Clear? That is also depending upon manager will give. Okay, suppose this is a big functionality, one person cannot do, you can take another person. Okay, clear? Who will give those things? Our manager.
or the business analyst?
Won't give business analyst, our manager only.
Manager will distribute things.
Okay, business analyst person is just he is going to collect the requirements only. Clear?
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can we go to another topic?
Yes, sir.
Feeling poor?
No, no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is our next one?
System level testing.
Non-functional. What is non-functional? Once functional requirements is satisfied. Once functional requirements is satisfied, then only we have to go for which testing?
Non-functional.
Non-functional
Non-functional.
testing.
Satisfied on application to confirm customer expectations. Customer expectations is called as non-functional. Here, what are the different types of non-functional testing, guys? Can anyone? What are the different types here available? GUI testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, What are them next? Another one, security testing. Who will perform security testing?
Who have both knowledge, like coding and testing.
No, they will be the separate team. Okay, they will recruit separate team. Those persons called as security testers. Okay, security testing ki separate team untaru. Only security testers antaru. Clear? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And next one is performance testing. Who will perform the performance testing? Ever conduct the performance testing? Who will conduct?
Test engineer.
Test.
You are going to conduct performance testing? No, right?
No, sir. Customer.
Customer only for conducting customer, then what is the use of performance? As a performance testers, they will be the separate team. Okay, how you are going to use some tool as a performance tester also? They will use some tool. What tool they are using? Load runner, JMeter. Can anyone heard about this word?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Neo load, web load, K6. These are the different types of tools. Who is going to perform?
Performance testing.
Performance testers. Okay, load runner is the paid tool. Paid tool అంటే ఏంది? అమౌంట్ పే చేయాలి. JMeter అనేది ఓపెన్ సోర్స్. నియో లోడ్ వెబ్ లోడ్ వచ్చేసి పెయిడ్ టూల్. కేసెస్ వచ్చేసి ఓపెన్ సోర్స్. మనం చేసేది ఓపెన్ సోర్స్ పెయిడ్ టూల్? Selenium.
Open source.
It is a open source. Okay, same as performance tester also, they will perform by
ఓపెన్
using
సోర్స్ అంటే ఏదైనా ఎప్పుడైనా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్.
open source ante without paying any single rupee. Okay, we can install and we can work. Okay, coming to paid tool means we have to pay some money, okay, to the vendor. Okay, vendor ante evaru? ఆ టూల్ ఎవరైతే కనిపెడతారో, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎవరైతే కనిపెడతారో వాళ్ళకి సమ్ మనీ పే చేసి పర్ఫామ్ చేసేదాన్ని పెయిడ్ టూల్ అంటారు. క్లియర్? సారీ,
ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పారా సార్?
ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు వాట్సాప్ అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, అవన్నీ పెయిడా లేకపోతే అన్పెయిడా?
Unpaid.
Unpaid.
ఎట్లుంటే అంతే సార్
Open
నెట్
source.
లేకపోతే
నెట్ అన్నప్పుడు
నెట్
వైఫై
బ్యాలెన్స్
see one second.
వైఫై కూడా
Give me 1 second. I will explain. After that, we'll discuss. Okay. Suppose YouTube is there, hotspot is there, mobile net is net. I am not connecting with any network. Okay. Network is stable. Okay. I am going to YouTube. That is a free of source. Yes or no? We are
Yes,
not
sir.
paying single rupee. Yes or no? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, AHA, G5, those things is there. We have to pay some money.
Prime.
Hotstar.
Prime.
Yes or no?
We need to
Hotstar
subscribe.
Prime, okay, like subscription. 3 months,
Yes.
some money have to pay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందండి? ఇంకేమన్నా మీనింగ్?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Okay, that is called as paid and this is non-paid open source. Clear? Paid ki open source ki difference clear?
ఎస్ సార్.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ఇంకేమన్నా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పమని అని చెప్తాం. ఓకే, మీకు అర్థమయ్యేది కావాలి ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, GUI testing. Here what is meant by GUI testing? Can anyone?
గ్రాఫిక్ యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్.
User interface.
User interface. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Okay, in this type of testing, what you are going to conduct, guys? User interface. User interface is nothing but what this one? Designing. We have to concentrate on designing part. Clear? We have to check logos is correct or not. Yes or no? Suppose here some width and height is there. Same height only have to be. Yes or no? If it is some top, some bottom, means how it will? It feel not good. Our application feel won't good. Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, that is called as GUI testing. Who will conduct? We only have to conduct. In this type of testing, we need to concentrate on designing part of an application. Designing part of an application. Application is called as which testing?
GUI.
GUI testing. Okay. What is meant by usability testing? What is meant by usability testing? Can anyone? Usability testing is nothing but user friendly. Application అన్నది user friendly గా ఉందా లేదా? Yes or no? Easy to use, easy to understand, easy to operate. Yes or no? Suppose instead of my receipts, if I give my name, okay, instead of my receipts, if I give my name, means the user able to understand? No, right? Yes or no?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
No.
Who told us? Okay, user won't understand. Suppose upload is there, without giving upload button, okay, here at bottom they will give. That is not a user friendly, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it have to be at the bottom and it have to be very easy format. Which format it have to accept and with how much KB, how much MB minimum and maximum. Okay, those things we will concentrate on. Which type of testing? Usability testing. In this type of testing, what you are going to concentrate? We should concentrate on customer point of view. Customer point of view. Okay. What you are going to concentrate? User friendly or not? Friendly or not is called as. Can anyone give example? Any application? See, suppose you have a mobile phone. Yes or no? Yes or no? Each and everyone is using mobile phone. All are using touch only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Under mobile phones only, you have a contacts, dial pad, and keyboard. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
want, you can dial. If you want, you can go to contacts. Yes or no? If you want to write it down any number means there is a keypad option. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Sir.
Previously,
Clear.
is that option is available for small phones? This option is available?
No.
No. Okay. That is the user friendly. They are day by day, it is friendly coming, user friendly coming. Previously in WhatsApp, there is a no status. Now it make a status. Now it is going to accept the payments also. Like PhonePe, Google Pay, how it is accepting. Like WhatsApp also, it is going to accept. User friendly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Those are the user friendly activities. Here, easy to use. What are the user friendly means? We can easy to use, easy to operate. And third one is easy to understand. What are the different things, guys?
Easy to use, easy to
Easy to
operate,
operate, easy to understand.
Understand. Okay, these things have to satisfy. Clear. What is the next one?
Compatibility.
Compatibility testing.
Compatibility. What is meant by compatibility testing? Can anyone? Suppose here in Chrome browser won't come any issues. Okay. Suppose if I work on another system or another browser. Another browser means Firefox. Yes or no?
Opera means
Internet Explorer, Opera. If you work on those kind of things means you will get some alignment issues. Okay. It won't feel, look and feel won't be same. Clear. If you observe means you will understand. It is nothing but we have to conduct with the different types of browsers. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Yeah. What is meant by compatibility in this type of testing? We need to concentrate on on compatibilities of an application. Here, what are the different types of compatibilities we are having? Software compatibility. And second one is hardware. What is different between software and hardware compatibility? Can anyone? Here, what is the software compatibility and what is the hardware compatibility? Software compatibility is nothing but we have to test with multiple browsers and multiple operating systems. Yes or no? Here I am working with Windows. Suppose if you work on MacBook, how it will feel? Some screen will be less size. Yes or no? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Compatibility is nothing but I will show the compatibility in my Windows as well. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the iPhone version. How it feel? It is compatible, is look and feel is good or not? Huh? See here, no options is available. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
This is iPhone XR. This is Samsung Galaxy. These are the things we are going to perform. These are the compatibility issues. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
What is the software compatibility in this type of testing? What we are going to concentrate? Check with
Multiple.
various browsers, and various what? Operating systems. OS is nothing but operating systems. What are the different operating systems we are having? Can anyone? What are the different browsers we are having? At least
Mozilla, Google
Chrome,
Google Chrome.
Firefox,
Opera.
Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer. These are the different types of browsers. Coming to operating systems means what are the different types of operating systems we are having?
Linux,
Windows, Linux, Mac. Anything else?
Unix.
Unix, yes. Windows XP. These are the different types of operating systems we are having. Clear? Is it clear, guys? We have to check with various operating systems. Mostly we won't check. We will check with 1 or 2 browsers. Okay? In our real time. Clear? That is also depending upon our customer. Our customer, most of the people will work on 1 or 2 browsers only. Yes or no? Nowadays, they are not using Safari or Opera. Which one you most popularly using?
Chrome.
Chrome. Okay. 80% we have to concentrate on Chrome. Clear? If any issues is observed on another application means that is called as compatibility issue. What kind of issue we call as compatibility issue? Here, what is meant by hardware testing? In this type of testing, we have to concentrate on what you are going to concentrate. Concentrate on networks. Yes or no? Networks, hardware devices. Yes or no? Supporting hardware. Suppose if you are working in your company, you will use LAN cable. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
suppose if you are working on mobile hotspot, you have to connect with mobile hotspot. If you are working on a Wi-Fi, you have to connect with Wi-Fi. Those are the different types of networks. You will come to home means you have to connect with mobile hotspot or a Wi-Fi. If you are working on a organization, మీరు ఏమైనా కంపెనీలో కానీ వర్క్ చేస్తుంటే you have to connect with LAN cable. Yes or no? It have to support in both the operations. Is it clear? Okay, up to here it is enough. Okay, some people is feeling bored. Can we continue? No response. Okay, I will stop it here. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
copy the notes.
I will send. From where onwards?
The system level test.
Yesterday some network issue I have not connected, guys. Sorry for delay. Okay. Understood? Any more doubts means you can ask me. I'm stopping the recording up to here.